Hi, I'm Jordan from Johnny's Box, and today we're going to be unboxing the Xbox Series 2 Elite controller. I picked it up for my PC. I do not have the Series X or S yet, but we're going to see what's inside and see if it was still worth the amount of money you have to pay for this thing. So let's get into it. This is the box. Honestly, it feels like there's a bunch of stuff that came in here. And if there's not, then it feels very robust either way. I do love this little pull tab they have on the back here. Rather than having to rip up all this tape, you just grab the line and you pull it like that. And then you're good. Oh, there's another one on bottom. Pull that straight down. Gonna break the seal there. Ooh. Got a green inside because it's Xbox, baby. Fancy box construction. Reminds me a lot of when I bought my Astro A40s back in the day. Comes with a nice little case here. See if I can get some detail on that. There we go. It's not super rigid, but there is some kind of form that it's trying to hold. It's not like super floppy or anything like that. See what's under here if there's anything. Okay, yep. Pull this out. And you got this, which it looks like if you pull this tab here, you got something. All right, you have a manual. Pull all this crap out of here first. Toss that over there. You have the manual. It's got some basic stuff, how to sync it up. Probably tells you how to update it as well. Yep, how to hook it to Bluetooth. How to swap out all the parts and pieces. That's going to be washed out. No point for that. Warranty card stuff. And, whoa. 14-day Xbox Game Pass Ultimate code. So that's nice. Probably end up giving that to somebody because I already have Game Pass Ultimate. This cable, braided, it's got a nice little embossed Xbox logo on the cable there, which is nice. Also like that it's not just a black cable. There's some just highlight bits in it. They're just lighter, like a dark gray. Yeah, I don't know. It just gives it some character. It's not just a black cable, which is nice. It looks premium. All right, so we're going to open this now. First thing I see, which is pretty awesome, is there is a little... Well, there's a little hook here. You can, put a carabiner on it or something and strap it to your bag if you're worried about it. I don't know. Nice little tab. But there's a rubber piece right here that you can open up. And you can charge your controller while it's in the case, which that's pretty awesome for people who are going to store it in there. That makes it very handy. That's pretty cool. Really nice zipper. Feels nice. It's not it's not getting caught on anything. So check that out. And okay. There's the controller. There she is. We're going to pull that out. I'm going to set that to the side for a quick second. You've got all the little pieces that you can swap out. You've got D-pad. Looks like a tool that you have to use to swap some things out. Different sticks, which actually have a metal post on them. So it's... I don't know. Looks like it'll be really nice. Comes out more sticks. There's actually... So you've got two smooth posts. One rough one that looks like it's just a standard replacement for what comes on the controller. Oh, it's a taller one. Sorry. There's a taller one, but it's got the standard grippy... post. Okay, I do not like this. this is a very expensive controller, and I hate built-in batteries. Because when the battery dies, I mean, yeah, I can take it apart, and I'm going to probably do that if the battery ever dies, just buy a replacement battery. But like most people don't have the tools to do that. They don't know you can do that. So that kind of sucks. But I understand that some people really like that about the PlayStation. So they were probably like, well, with the Elite, we'll do that. Honestly, the grips on the side, it's like a little textured rubber. It doesn't feel that grippy. I feel like I have more grip on my standard Xbox controller. I don't know. It's almost like a little slimy, but maybe that's something that gets worked in. That's going to be a little weird to get used to. These triggers feel nice. I don't know how different they are from the standard controller, though. They feel like a little dampened, maybe, but at the same time, this controller is a lot more robust, so maybe it just has something, though it's not reverberating through. I will say there's a little grips or like some texture on the top of the controllers, which is kind of nice. That's cool. The bumpers feel the same. That D-pad's kind of cool. I was very hesitant about this this directional pad thing they have here. It's kind of weird, but it feels nice. I'm not enough of a fighting game player to know if that's good. X, Y, B, and A feel the same as normal. Same thing with share and option. The sticks feel oh. There's a lot more noise when you hit the edge of the... Here, actually, you know what? We'll do a little comparison on that. Right here, we just have a normal one. Maybe it's just because it's a deeper sound. Maybe. I don't know. The paddles on the back feel good. I didn't know how these longer ones on the bottom would feel, but they actually feel really good. So maybe I can finally start driving manual in Forza, and then people will stop making fun of me for driving automatic. So that feels really good. Honestly, you can then toggle there's switches on the back, right here and here, for how far the trigger pulls. That's reduced a little bit, and let's try hair trigger. Oh, that's weird. Some people like that. I couldn't do it. That's not enough travel. It just feels like it's broken. Of course, I don't play competitive shooters with the controller, so yeah, that'll be great for Forza. I'm really excited about that, and maybe some other games too. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. But that's the unboxing. Feels nice. We'll see if it's actually worth the premium price tag, though. So if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe down below. We'd really appreciate it. We stream on YouTube and Twitch. So if you want to check out our YouTube, if you hit subscribe and hit the notifications, you'll know whenever we go live on YouTube. And if you want to check out our Twitch, it's twitch.tv/Johnny'sBox. Thanks. Have a good one.